Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Dime, Lemon Curd, and EDK stamping plate. Here it is again. Like I said, I don't know what order these videos are going to go up in, and I hope I'm not confusing y'all with showing the same little bit of footage over and over, but you know, like I said, I don't know what order they're going up in, so I wanted to make sure that the stamping plate was shown in all of them. We're going to clean it off real quick and get it ready to play. Now, in all honesty, this manicure today, I could have just painted my nails with the color and stamped this image in white, but we didn't. So I'll be stamping with Shutout, which is what I would have straight up stamped onto my nails. But the thing is like when I first started doing this, I made out my decals and was going to do like this whole different type of manicure, but it didn't happen that way. So I've stamped the image out, and now I'm going to cover it. You see I've got another image over there. I'm covering it with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. And then I'm just taking the brush and brushing over the whole image with the lemon curd. You guys, sometimes your girl just doesn't make any sense. And this is one of those. You don't have to make a decal. Just paint your nails this beautiful yellow color and then stamp that image in white. Bless her heart. She's having issues again, y'all. Alright, once that is completely dry, I'm going to go over it with the Wet n Wild Clear. Which, if you do what I'm telling you, just stamp that rascal right on your nail, then you won't have to do this part. I just have to make things more difficult. You know what I'm saying? You know how sometimes you do that? You make it so much bigger than it has to be. And that's exactly what happened here today. So, I'm going to just bump on through it. Okay? Let's do it together. I do have Baby Girl Lacquer's Glitter Be Gone on my nails. And this is Lemon Curd by Dime Nail Polish. These polishes are also stunning, and I've really, really enjoyed them. I have loved every manicure, and I have just, I'm telling you, put gloves on to drive because you can't stop looking at them. All that bling and just too fun. Too fun. So there we go with the first coat. I am going in with the second coat. And depending on your visible nail line, you may need 3 coats to do this, but since I'm fixing to put another layer of it on with the decal, I'm not too worried about it. So I am using I&M's Out the Door to top coat these. Did all of them. I'm only showing the one, but I did top coat all of them. They do dry down kind of matte and a little bit textured. So there's that. Really, really loved this yellow. Love it. Oh, so pretty. Alright, so now to the decal. I'm going to use the Maniology Stick Base coat and put a really thin, almost dried brush layer of that on the nail to make my decal transfer over and stick. See what I'm talking about, y'all? Overkill. So there we go. I'm going to mush it down with my finger. We're just going to, work on this, getting this cleaned up now. I've got my little cuticle tool out, and I am just kind of breaking and busting off some of the extra pieces so that I don't have to clean that up with acetone. And I know every time I use this tool, people get freaked out. It's not like a knife. It's not sharp. It's just a flat edge. And you can see I'm dialed in. You can see I'm not like tearing stuff up. I'm not hurting nothing. I promise. I wouldn't do it if it hurts. I'd just do some serious cleanup with a brush. So there we go. We're getting that crusty bit off. Get off of there. Alright. Good stuff sticking to me. I am going in with my little nipper scissors. And I'm trimming up. I know I'm out of. There we go. Get it together, Tina. I am going to trim off the sides and across the end. And that way I don't have to worry about that much globbage on this go around. There we go. Got one more little piece. There we go. Alright, make sure it's all still in place. Mush it down a little bit more. Smooth it out. And then I'm tapping down the side with some acetone. That helps the decal stick to the nail polish underneath. Kind of melts them together. And here we go, down the other side. I dialed in pretty good for this. Got a good view of that one. And then I go across the end with the flat side of my brush. And I just keep working it until I get it smooth and to the, you know, smoothness and nothing globby sticking out. I will flip it over here in a minute and show you guys doing the underneath, because I can't stand to have a big clump of anything up underneath the nail. It just makes me wacky. So there we go. I'm going to try to clean up around this cuticle area just a little bit more. It's a little higher than I normally wear mine. So there we go. Let's get that in there. Get it in there. Get it good. But you definitely want to do your cleanup before you put your top coat on, because, well, I don't know, some people I've watched them, they put their top coat on and then do their cleanup, but I can't. I just can't do it that way. It's not how I've trained myself. I like to do my cleanup before my top coat. Okay, mashing that side, because I had a little bit of a pucker there, but it's straightened out. I am going to top this with the smudge-free top coat. Sorry I didn't flip my nail over and show you me doing the underneath cleaning. Y'all have seen me do that before. Clean up underneath also. Once that's completely dry, I'm going to top these with Sèche Vite. And I am going to go over just the plain nails again, because these are thirsty polishes. You definitely need that extra layer of top coat. And I really, really love these. Of course, I love anything lemon. I love lemon bars, lemon meringue pie, lemonade, pink lemonade. I love all of it. I love lemon. I don't know, it's one of those that just speaks to me. Something I can wrap my head around. So there we go with our beautiful plump glossy top coat. Gonna cap my free edge here. And here's the swatch photo of it all glossed up. And now for a little anchor and heart sea glass fairy slipper matte top coat. We're going to lay a coat of that down over top of everything and get a picture of that so you can see what it looks like mattified. I hope you enjoyed this one. You're going to have to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Lovely. Alright, so I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.